Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's episode, I'm gonna be doing a air fried salmon. This is gonna be an amazing recipe. You guys will definitely put this in your weeknight meals. It's so easy to cook in the air fryer, just looking at everything and how it cooks. This actually cooks in about 12 minutes. And again, easy weeknight meal. That's a plus for me to get it done fast. So this actually has an everything bagel seasoning put into it. Everything seasoning is like the new craze right now, along with air fryers. So this recipe is sure to be a favorite. Stay tuned, guys. You do not want to miss this. All right, guys, take a look at this salmon. This is a sustainably farmed salmon from Whole Foods. So we're gonna use just a nice olive oil. We're gonna coat it on all sides. Also, don't forget the skin. Just be very careful with it. Okay, so what we wanna do is just do a nice little bit of kosher salt. After that, you guys, we're gonna use this everything bagel seasoning. This stuff is killer. You get it at Trader Joe's, you can even buy it online. Coat it generously, don't forget the sides. And then what you wanna do is, oh my God, just look at that. It is money. So we're gonna do a quick little roasted vegetables in the air fryer. We're gonna do a little bit of cauliflower, cut it up into small pieces, okay? Get it manageable. We're gonna throw that in a nice bowl. Now we're gonna take some broccoli, cut off all the ends. Again, I love using the base. There's a lot of sweetness there. Put in a bowl, nice drizzle of olive oil. Don't be shy. We're gonna use a nice Lowry's garlic salt. Evenly coat everything right there. And then spread it out on your air fryer basket. This is gonna be the Breville air fryer. We're gonna set this thing to 400 degrees. Get it preheated. And then once that's preheated, put it to the air fryer basket. Toss it, turn around halfway through. In about 20 minutes, you're gonna have this magnificent roasted veggies. Now, we're gonna go 365 on the salmon for about 12 minutes, okay? So the nice thing about this is my temperature where I live. That's gonna be perfect for this size. At about 5 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and actually turn it around, check it, okay? Do the finishing touch. Now look at this. Look at the bubbling, it's perfect. Nothing burned, it is absolutely money. So we go ahead and put down our beautifully roasted air fried veggies. Nice little piece of salmon, okay? And now, here's some nice B-roll. Look at that. I mean, who wouldn't want to eat that? Taste testing time. My first bite, it melted completely in my mouth. Second bite, same exact thing. The roasted veggies were killer. You guys, this is an absolute money, and it's so delicious. So I hope you guys liked that video. It was really delicious. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. You guys are not going to regret it. We're going to be doing a lot more trending videos now. Until next time, you guys, see you on the next episode.